Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can edit the footer copyright text in your WordPress website. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Now, if you're running your WordPress website and when you scroll all the way to the footer, looking at these footer sections where it says the copyrights sections, right? Powered by WordPress. Yeah. So how are we able to update the information at the footer? So instead of powered by WordPress or powered by your team developer, how are you able to change it to the customized text? All right. So right now I'm going to walk you guys through. Yeah. But this method is only applicable to those of you if you couldn't find any theme option. Yeah, because if you can see over right here, I'm not using any theme. This is like the most basic default theme by WordPress. Yeah, so right here, most of the time if you go to your dashboard, and for those of you if you're using a theme, yeah, most of the time there will be a theme option under your appearance. Yeah, or if you go to the customize section, you'll be able to see there's a footer settings right here. Okay. It's either that it's under the, somewhere hidden inside right here. Okay. However, in my case, or in some of your cases, you might not be able to find any footer settings. Okay. In this case, how or where can we actually change this? Yeah. So right here, I would like to show you one method, and this method, it will require a little bit of like editing of the coding. Yeah. So this is where we go. We are going to go under the appearance, under the theme editor, and make sure that you select the correct theme that you are in. Okay. By default, you'll be automatically selected to the theme that you activated. All right. So right after that, we are going to just scroll down to look for footer.php. All right, footer.php. And once you are in here, what are we going to look for? Yeah. There's a bunch of codings right here, but usually what I would suggest you is that double check what is the word that is appearing on your website. Okay, and we are going to search for the keywords right there. So in this case, I'm going to use proudly. All right, and over right here, I will just click at any white spaces. Yeah, any white space around the text right there, and I will just go with Control F. Or if you're using Mac, it'll be Command F to call out the search bar. Okay. If you're a Windows user, you're going to go for Control F. And if you're a Mac user, we're going to go for Command F. Once you call out the search bar, we're going to search for the keyword. Let's say proudly. Okay. The keyword that's showing on your footer area under the copyright text right here. And here we go. We're going to just once again proudly, and we're going to hit on enter. Okay. Once we hit on enter, right, you will see that it actually brings you down to the keywords that we are looking at right here. So right now, it's actually showing proudly powered by, and then we will have is either that's it will be, if you activate the 2021 theme, it will be showing here, or else it will be showing as the words WordPress, right? So I want to change the word WordPress right here. So instead of WordPress, I will just put DMC training. All right, and very important, if you can see right here, this is actually a clickable link, and it actually bring it to WordPress.org. So over right here, instead of these, I want to change it to my company website, which is dmctraininghub.com. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to save changes. And once again, over right here, you come back to your main website. we are going to do a refresh, and you can see right here, I will be able to see my website URL right there. And when I click, you actually redirect to my company website. So that's all. Very easy, very quickly. These apply to almost all the themes that you are actually installing. So if they don't give you any theme options, or if you couldn't find the footer edits from either the widget or from the customized section, you can just come all the way to the theme editor, look for the footer.php, and search for the words that you would like to edit. Okay, most of the time it will be the word. I will suggest you to use only one keyword, one phrase, one word to do the searching. Okay, so it's either you use proudly or you use powered. And you will come here, Control F. Make sure that you just click. You click any white space around the coding, then only you click on Control F. We are going to search for the word inside the codes right here. Okay, so let's say right now, if I click on DMC, hit on enter, you will see that it actually shows right there. All right, so that's all in this video that I would like to share with you, how you can actually update the footer, the copyright sections of your website in your WordPress easily via just the theme editor. So if you are successfully able to update your footer information, please leave a comment below and let me know. And meanwhile, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.